Hello guys, so welcome back to another wonderful video. So today I'm going to teach you about the Open Doors Russian fully funded scholarship. So go to your browser and search for Open Doors Russian scholarship and to bring you to this website. So click on this link and so it brings you to this page. So as of today, which is 26th, there are 67 days remaining. But let's first go through before we apply. Let's check the information on this scholarship. So they say why Open Doors? And you get admission to a tuition-free program in your subject area at one of the 24 Russian universities. Participation takes place entirely online. There's a wide variety of fields, that is like in biotechnology, medicine, artificial intelligence, engineering, business, political science, and many more. So Russia ranks sixth worldwide in the number of international students. So this is a good opportunity if you want to meet people from different places in the world. So Russia is good. Then they say Russian degrees are recognized in many countries, especially in Asia, Africa, and then the BRIC countries. So basically, this is just more information on the subjects that they have. So this is so good for my medicine students, those who want to do medicine. So this is a wonderful scholarship, and then there are this many other programs that are available. So you come and check accordingly. So let's see the schedule. So they say the application is from 20th of August to 13th November 2026. They say let's check the stages. So the first stage is to take part in the competition. Participants are required to register on the Open Doors website. I'll show you that later. You select a track and a subject area. Compile a portfolio that includes individual achievements relevant to the selected track and subject area, an entry test, and a motivational letter. Uh, then the second stage is Open Doors deadline. That's just giving you like it's on 1st of November 2026, so you still have a lot of time. So after this deadline, participants are no longer added to or edit their account information or portfolio. So you cannot do that after 1st of November. And then the announcement of the results. So the results of the first, they are put on their personal accounts. So list of participants advancing to the next level. They're also published on your account. So yeah, that is on 13th of November. So let me show you now how to apply. So come and click on apply, and so it will bring you here. So you're going to register. So you put your email, and then you give consent. So continue, and then yeah, they say the level of participation in the Open Doors. So let's see which options are there: Russian and English. So let's select English for my internationals, but if you can also speak Russian, it's okay. So let's check this information here. They say you will complete the Open Doors task in the language you select for participation. Winners and runners up will choose their preferred language of instruction at Russian universities separately after the Open Doors results have been announced. So citizenship, so you come and check which one applies to you. Then all the information you provide must be accurate, otherwise the Open Doors results may not be recognized. So you're going to enter your family information, um, your family name, as it appears in your passport or national ID or whatever. Uh, so you enter your information, and so after you've entered your information, so you're going to come to select tracks and the subject areas of participation. So this is for the bachelor's track, so you come and check which one applies to you. There is the one for master's, doctoral track, it's also available. So let's go. So for me, it's bachelor's, so I'm coming to the bachelor. So let's say physical sciences and technology. So that's what I selected. And okay, there's some information here. So applicants are eligible to participate in the bachelor's track of Open Doors provided as of the registration opening date. They are between 16 and 23 years of age, do not hold a bachelor's, specialist, or master's degree, and hold all are due to obtain during the academic year in which the Open Doors is held an education qualification that makes them eligible for admission to a higher education institution under the national legislation of, of the country in which they study. So that is it for bachelor's. So you can also come and check for master's, and then for doctoral, and then come here, select. You can go and read through the rules, and you have to select them, and you have to give your consent. Then you are able to click on register.